21st year ng Pagkala Father Fidel. And now, to start our coronation, we will start now with the fourth runner-up, Mr. Lorenzo Vito Agpalo. We will have now the pinning of the sash. May I call on Teacher Hides together with the parents. Teacher Hides from grade 6. Mr. Lorenzo Agpalo. Mr. Lorenzo Agpalo for our fourth runner-up to be pinned by Mrs. Agpalo and Teacher Hides from grade 6. Sash with the trophy. And now for our fourth runner-up, our Princess Madeline Hart Mutya, to be sashed by Teacher Ann, being the advisor, and the father. And to be crowned by Teacher Lolix from grade 6 and Sir Rome, our religion teacher. Madeline, Teacher Ann, i-crown pa yan. To be crowned by Teacher Lolix and Sir Rome. For our third runner-up, may I call on Jose Marie Galvez to be sashed by their parents and Teacher Lucy. Advisor, please. Jose Marie Galvez, our third runner-up. May I call on Teacher Lucy for the pinning of sash and the advisor and parents. With the trophy.
Desperate for your voice, listening to the song we used to sing in the clouds. You remember butterfly, birds and sun. It's playing already, just like when we would be. Like when we would be.
And for our third runner-up princess, may I call on Rica Angela Viluna for the pinning of sash. May I call on the parents and the advisor. Rica! The parents and advisor for the pinning of sash, Teacher Ann. To be crowned by Sister Magdalene, our Prefect of Discipline, Sir Cromwell.
Flash the
For our second runner-up, Prince, may I call on Nathaniel C. Ijan to be the pinning of SAS. May I call on Sister Patricia and the parents, together with the advisor, sash and the trophy. Sister Patricia, please. Okay, Melissa Simon is sick. She can't come. So we will proceed to first runner-up. First runner-up, Mr. Owen Jasper Concepcion. May I call on Teacher Malu for the pinning of SAS. Teacher Malu with the parent. Owen Concepcion, our first runner-up for the pinning of SAS. Teacher Malu with the parent and the advisor. Pinning of the SAS and the giving of trophy. May I call on Miss Alison Santos, pinning of the SAS. May I call on the teacher advisor with the parents. And Mom Church. Mom Church. Mom Church is not around. May I call on Teacher Lisa, the OIC. Teacher Lisa. Wala si Ma'am Church. Sorry. Please, huwag ka na bumaba because we will have to crown Miss Santos. And to be crowned, of course, again by Teacher Lisa. Teacher Lisa and Father Benedict. I call on Father Benedict together with Teacher Lisa to crown our first runner-up, Alison Santos. Joshua Fribaldo. Okay, pinning of SAS. Si Teacher Babes na lang kasi nandito ako eh. Okay, Teacher Babes. Very good, Joshua. And now, for our Miss Spend 2010, may I call on Chelsea Ann Caser Pinning of the SAS by Teacher Glenn, the advisor, and with the parents. Nasaan ang parents?
Very special invitation.
To be crowned, of course, by Father Fidel, to be assisted by Jenny Ortega, our former Miss Fed 2009, and Jasper Lamo, our former Mr. 2009. Joshua, Jenny, thank you for coming together with Father Fidel. Ayan, Teacher Jo, ikaw muna. MC si Teacher Terry.
You are one of a kind and you need me. What I need you and together, baby.
Jasper, thank you for coming.
'Cause if I got you, I don't need much.
Ayan, flowers for Ate Chelsea. Thank you, Jasper.
And oh, I'm into you. I know one else would do. With every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know you can't be the only one. I bet it's hard all over the world tonight with the love that it like to feel. But I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Girl, with you, with you, with you.
Thank you, Father Fidel. Thank you, Chelsea. Of course, the parents of Chelsea. Thank you very much sa suporta po na binibigyan ninyo. And now, to entertain our Mr. and Miss Fed 2010 together with his princess and prince, may I call on Chef. Who will come first? Joshua. Si Lance. Ano nangyari? Lance, okay. Nakatsu. Ano naman ginawa ko dyan? Okay. Ito, miss you kahapon, regular. You really miss what we did yesterday. Pero ito, di ba, ulit, no? Another one. For those who are here yesterday, Sir Cromwell, Father Benny Beat. Ano ginagawa niyo sa mga anak ko? Yesterday, Jocelyn din, no? Pero ulitin niya na kaya ni Joshua. O sige, isa lang daw. Iba pa yung kahapon, children. That will be followed by Chef.
Pagilin.
Never seen
Begin. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And mama said, so sexy, 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 so sexy.
Thank you, Joshua. Mami,